And most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good now. Like me, many of people asking me, please making a video about Giant Rush game about. So guys, this is the everything more easily game and nothing be hard. Just I will be explaining you all about this game, how to be complete to be this game levels 150. So I hope you will be never skipping this video, and I hope you watching my video and also to be sharing my video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm more helping to you. This is the more interesting and easily game now, and I will be teach to you how to be complete to be this game levels easily. So let's start this video. Okay guys, I'm already download this game, and just to be explaining you all about this game and how to be complete to be this game. So guys, never be skipping this video and I will be completely helping to you. So let's start this video, and I will be little skipping now this video. This is the more interesting game, and I will be really be appreciate this game and more be easily know, but I will be completely explaining you how to be complete to be this game levels all about. This is the more easily know, just to be I will be claim on this game. Okay, so next level I will be starting now. Okay, let's start this video. Notch down. Okay. Oh my god, it's everything more easily now to be any hard, and typing on this video, typing on this video, typing on this video, typing on this. Oh, I was checking out to be easily to be complete to be the second levels. This is the more interesting game, never be like be hard game. Okay, again I will be tapping on this video. Okay. Okay, tap on this video, tap on this video, tap on this video, tap on this video, tap on this video. Oh my god, checking out like I'm be lost. No thanks, I will be starting again. Okay. Okay, tap on this video, tap on this video, tap on this video. Again I'm lost in this match, but I kill boss. Okay guys, claiming on these coins, but I will be claimed to my virtual rewards, and I will be tap get. Okay guys, I am starting again to be this. Okay, and tap on this video, 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 tap on this video. Okay, so this type this game now, and more everything more easily now, not to be anything hard. Just I will be explain you how to be complete to be this games levels. If you want, so I will be making all of levels about making video, so you will be always to be supporting me, and because I needed your support. Okay. Okay. slow motions. Thank you. So guys, you checking out, this is the more interesting game I like that. So later. Okay. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. So thank you so much for you watching my video guys, and love you always to be supporting me because I needed your supporting and just to be playing one of this game. Okay. Okay. Oh my. Okay, thank you so much.